Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where developer options live. Open Settings, then System or Device Settings depending on your OEM skin. Once located, Verify Developer Options is showing. If not, you're already done. If it is visible, make sure you note any altered items you want to restore later, like USB debugging or animation scales. This step prevents surprises after undoing. Now tap Developer Options to enter and prepare to turn it off, which reverses many advanced behaviors. Once inside Developer Options, you'll methodically switch off risky toggles. First, disable USB debugging and OEM unlocking to stop developer-level access and potential unauthorized installs. Then set Window, Transition, and Animator Duration scales back to 1x to restore normal UI timing. Also turn off mock locations and background process overrides to prevent apps from behaving oddly. Make sure to toggle items individually so you can finish by flipping the main developer options switch to off. This hides the menu and disables all developer toggles at once. Once done, reboot your device to ensure changes take full effect and then revisit settings to confirm developer options no longer appears. If the menu persists or some behavior remains, clear the settings app cache and data, then check again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. Do this only if persistent developer behaviors cannot be resolved another way.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.